Hi, it's Ujarak with Amautiga. I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to put your baby in the amauti on the back and on the front. Take your amauti and put it on. This is my baby. She is almost 1.5 years, so I don't have an example with a smaller baby. This is what I have. So you'll take her and put her on your shoulders, moving her legs into the pouch, and then just sort of guiding her down, making sure that on the bottom her feet haven't gone through. And then you adjust. This is how you will take her out. If you feel uncomfortable, you can take her out onto a soft surface like your bed or your couch. Put your baby on your front. You will have your amauti on, and while it's on, just turning it around so that the pouch is on the front. You'll get your baby, and similar to the front, but now she's on, similar to the back, but now she'll be on the front. You take her feet, and put them in.